Thanks to Jesus, we have sun again. Not too much food, but so I showed to you the minimum voltage working by the when the MPPO is working, we can pull 8 amps, more than 8 amps, 9 amps going to the battery, and the voltage from the solar panel maintains its 30 volts minimum, which voltage I have adjusted before a few minutes, yeah, on the MPPO, maximum power point oscillator. To be honest, I have changed the MOSFET today, and also a resistor going to the gate of the MOSFET, which resistor was too high, had a too high value. So instead of 470 ohm, I have now 33 ohm on the gate, allowing to open the transistor with a higher rate, a better rate. So, but now put the amperage back, set back, we don't need so high. Like this we can work with the DC-DC booster, hopefully. So the MPPO is working again. I will show you the schematic. Maybe the index picture of the video will be the schematic. So MPPO is working. It does not allow to get to going the voltage too low, the voltage coming from the solar panel. Look, on 30 volts it stops, you see. Without the MPPO now it would go to 17 volts down. So okay, peace for all the creations, innocent, peaceful life. So to ensure that you can set it and build it up correct, I make one more record. So there is the 40 volts, 15 amps solar panel, peak of course, and fuse, Schottky diodes, coil with a small resistance impedance value. The inductance is a middle value, but its impedance must be low. Okay, so the XL impedance that needs a good core, good quality core ring. So, and a few turns. So a good quality ferrite core ring, and just a few turns, 4 or 5 turns. Okay, twice. And of course, a really strong cable, wire, strong wire, leads wire, but not important. So 3 times 470 microfarad. It's important not to use only one condenser, because if you use only one condenser, then that does not work well because of the amperage, you know, the amperage and the switching effect. So 21 volt Zener diode, conduct only if the voltage on the solar panel arrived at least 25 volts around, because of the series resistor. So around on 25 volt it begins to work, and limiting resistor 2.2 kilo ohm, potentiometer 10 kilo ohm, coming the trimmer, the middle is coming to the BD 139 or BD 241. At the base are coming two diodes to protect the base voltage not going higher than 1.4 volts. Okay. Series 33 ohm 3 watt is really important to get enough amperage to open the MOSFET correct. Okay. This is the pull down resistor, about 1 kilo ohm. It can be also 750 ohm or like that. Then this is the gate voltage stabilizer. Okay, 21 volt Zener diode, like this. It will stabilize the voltage at 20.4 volts about. Okay, that's perfect for the MOSFET. So it's a voltage stabilizer, okay, for the gate. And again the coil, we need the coil, okay, because of the switching effect. If you don't have the coil here, you kill the MOSFET. Okay, you need the coil, otherwise the MOSFET dies, because there normally comes the load, of course. Okay, the load comes there, and the most of the loads have big value of input condensers, capacitors. Let's say if there is a load with an input capacitor 10,000 microfarad, and if you shoot that power, that 440 watt peak power, about like my solar panel, you shoot that power directly to the 10,000 microfarad capacitor of the load, yeah, then you kill the MOSFET. I can ensure that you kill the MOSFET. So you have to use the coils, okay, and the Schottky diodes to protect the wall circuit of the back EMF, because the back EMF will be a positive. Okay, now, so like that. You have to set the potmeter to the negative side. Okay, that is the negative. Again, that is, we are switching the negative with N-channel MOSFET. N-channel MOSFET. Okay. You have to set the potentiometer at the negative side. Okay, and start the circuit like that. Then you turn, upper, higher, until it gives you an output. So then you load it. You give a real load to that, and you set it again to get your 30 volts minimum. So you have loaded it, let's say at 8 amps, and then you set the potentiometer again to get the minimum value, so to not allow to drop the voltage below 30 volts, because the 30 volts 30 volts, it is the minimum voltage. How is moment, the optimal minimum voltage of the solar panel. Sorry, just I am so tired and fucking hungry. In the last days I didn't eat well, and it's so cold. I am so fucking freezing. The wind is so cold that the air is in minus. The air is in minus, and I still on the fucking street. Nobody helps. No, like this. You have to put the wall circuit, accept this potentiometer, because that will die, into oil bath. Okay, so oil, real oil for cooking. Okay, you put the wall circuit. Of course you need a cooling radiator to add the MOSFET. Okay, put the MOSFET at cooling radiator and put the wall circuit into oil. Finish, just like I am doing, but of course not the potentiometer. Okay, so don't be fool. Peace and good luck. God bless you all.